There's a somewhat spicy Southern-style vegetable side dish called Carolina Kale that combines braised kale with black-eyed peas and gets its heat from Tabasco. But in this recipe, I'll be substituting SoyBoy spicy buffalo bacon for the Tabasco. I'll also be adding an optional peeled, diced yam to this recipe, and I like to get all of the prep work done before I start cooking anything. And that includes cutting the 12-ounce package of spicy buffalo bacon crosswise into half-inch pieces. Add a good splash of vegetable oil to a large, heavy-bottomed nonstick pan on medium-high heat. And once the oil's hot, add the diced bacon and cook that, stirring it occasionally until it browns up a bit and crisps up a bit, and then turn the heat off. You'll need to add a little more oil to the pan as the bacon's crisping up, and then at this point add another large, heavy-bottomed deep pan to the stove and add a splash of vegetable oil to that and saute one medium-sized diced onion on medium to medium-high heat to soften. And then at that point, add 2 large minced cloves of garlic, add 1 15-ounce can of diced tomato, 1 well-drained 15-ounce can of black-eyed peas, and add the medium peeled half-inch diced yam and 1½ cups of vegetable broth, and bring it up to a simmer. I'm using a 1-pound bag of already chopped fresh kale today, and I want to start adding that to the pot a little bit at a time and letting it wilt down before adding more. And I may end up adding a little more vegetable broth at some point. And once the kale is cooked down and softened up and the yam is cooked through, season it with salt and pepper to taste, and then add the spicy buffalo bacon. Fold that in, and it's ready to go. You can serve this up as a main meal with rice alongside, or serve it up as a side dish family style. I hope you enjoy this Carolina Kale with SoyBoy spicy buffalo bacon.